Julian Gooding. The title of the book is Feast, Food of the Islamic World, and I am a YA specialist at the John L. Dart Library. It is probably the Bible of all the spices that we don't have here in the States. What little bit we have has been watered down from recipes that come from West Africa because of slavery in the Middle Passage. So we've lost a lot of what real flavor is. If you really enjoy flavor, if you really enjoy spice, if you really enjoy the Ayurvedic aspects of spices and healing, study this particular book, especially Foods from the Islamic World, and you'll really get a definitive grouping of the most important spices that could elevate your palate, elevate your flavors, and your health. The cool thing about when I started working at the library, I realized a lot of people were coming in and checking out the cookbooks instead of buying cookbooks, because I price this one. It's not cheap. So that's one of the great benefits of the library, is that we have this unbelievable resources of recipes and cookbooks from around the world, and check them out. Many people come back and they copy the recipes. I've seen people take the book over to a table and they take out their iPhone. I do that too. And I photograph a recipe, and it's been a great source that I've noticed that quite a few people are coming in and wanting to elevate their palate.